Mercedes-Benz have revealed the UK pricing for their new Mercedes AMG G63. The car will cost £143,035. Mercedes are also launching a special edition 1 model which will set you back a massive £164,495. The new AMG G63 was announced back in February and it comes with an AMG 4.0-litre V8 biturbo engine that produces 577 horsepower and comes with 627 lb-ft of torque. The G63 features AMG's hand-built 4.0-litre hot V8 petrol engine which produces 585 HP and 850 Nm of torque. It has an electronically limited top speed of 137 miles per hour. Top speed is increased to 149 miles per hour with optional AMG driver's package and can sprint from 0 to 62 miles per hour in just 4.5 seconds. It delivers 21.4 mpg on the combined cycle and emits 299 g/km of CO2. The AMG Speed Shift Plus 9G Tronic transmission comes as standard, making for shorter shift times. AMG Ride Control suspension is also standard and features a fully automatic, electronically controlled system which adjusts the damping at each wheel to the current road surface. This ultimately improves driving safety and ride comfort.